Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to draw on Instagram. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily use this new feature, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root a device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to update your Play Store to the your Instagram to the open your Play Store and update your Instagram to the latest version. So just open your App Store or your Play Store and update your Instagram. So you need to make sure you're using the latest version of your Instagram application over here. Now once you have updated your Instagram, just go ahead and open it. Now open any chat, the person you want to chat with. Now you can see this over here, the plus sign at the right corner of the, so you can see draw and you can see new over here. So click on draw, and once you click on draw, you can draw whatever you want to draw. So you can undo it, so you can draw whatever you want to draw, and you can select the colors. You can change the colors over here, so you can change to any color, and it's so amazing. So you can select any color of your choice, and if you want to undo it, you can see the undo button over here. You can undo it. Once you click on undo, everything will be deleted, so you can just draw. And if you want to make any changes, click on undo, and it's very simple. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new